Back at one of my favorite malls. All right, this time we're starting off at Foot Locker. They got some decent prices. Look at this, look at this. Got some Vomeros, go for $80. Actually got a trio of Vomeros, go for 80 bucks. That's the worst colorway. I like this one, like orange pops a little bit. Oh, they got some essentials, black and white, as well as these right here. These are heavy, god dang. After holding the Vomeros, these socks right there, those were the TLs. These, oh no, those were the R4s. These are the TLs right here. Hey, these are heavy. I really like these black ones. 80 bucks. That's $100 off. $100 off retail. So it does look like Foot Locker has stepped up their game with some of the sales. But yeah, I'm a fan of that one right there. Then DNA, that's actually cheaper than Ross, right? Ross had these for like 90 something dollars, which is crazy. And Jordan Retros, they do got the fire red, black tongue fives right there. Got the grapes, 3 different types of fives, including the taxi 11s right here. These, I don't know what the hell these are called, olive 3s, I don't know. And they do have $50 off these Evos right here, multiple colorways. Actually, the third one right there. And then the sales section right here, the last item / sale section. Oh, is this grade school? It's grade school or women's? Oh, it's grade school right here. That's hella cheap. And they got these Valentine's Day Vomeros. These are from forever ago for pretty cheap. And then the men's section do got a few deals here and there. Getting another 2 colorways of the Vomeros, the Evo SLs, and the grade school one, or is this a women one? Women's one right here for $60. If I could find my size in this colorway, I would grab it. Not bad. And then dunks and stuff. Some decent sales here. Decent sales. Is it me or has every JD Sports been like way big? Sales have been pretty mediocre though. Like we've seen these down to like 60 at some spots. The grade school section do got some Air Max 95 big bubbles. That's a pretty solid deal. Look at this. If your girl wears this or if some of your kids wear that, that's actually pretty decent for grade school. But everything else has been pretty mediocre. There's JD Sports, so their selection's going to be great. Their presentation, but I don't know. Like the deals, been whatever. Like this is the same stuff that we just saw on sale. They just got the super budget options for sale, it looks like. We literally just saw this for what, 80 bucks. They're going for 180 here, like, which is really mediocre. So it's so many of the stuff over here, right? That's why we say you have to walk around, you have to do some comparison shopping, even in the same mall. This is the women's section over here. Over here we do see some deals in the dunks. Like I said, nothing crazy. And then of course we do have the Shoe Palace outlet convenience store. They don't even have a name for it, but you do get 25% off the entire store. And this is not like a small project. This is a huge store. They got quite a lot here. They got men's sneakers all along this section. We got all kinds of Crocs. We got women's shoes over here. We got kids sneakers all the way in the back. They've got random stuff like backpacks and bags. And quite a lot of apparel for men. All right, let's look around with the men's section. I don't see any Jordan Retros. We have seen Jordan Retros, but not this trip. It's got some mids and some lows. And these are already discounted to they're not discounted. Yeah, 120 for these. These mids are already discounted to 100, and then you get another 25 off, so $75. These normally are like 58 or 65 depending on when they came out. These are already discounted to 50. Then you get another 25 off both of these. Not bad. Jordan Hydro 11s and 5s. And you got more and more lows. These are some SEs right here. These normally go for like 135 or something like that. They're down to 75. Some gray ones, some biohack lows. Both go for 75. They have all kinds of the non-signatures. 175 for the 6 rings. Also got Spizike lows, go for 75 after a discount. Multiple RMs right here, 90, and an additional discount on top. We just saw these discounted at Foot Locker. They're cheaper here. Obviously, sizing definitely going to be an issue. They got 8s, 9s, and 13s, but $75 here. 120 plus an additional discount here. Got a few of the books. This is the only one Oh, this is the one that's discounted. And then that one's also discounted over here. These two going for regular price, but at least you get that 25 off. Got foams here, $240 with 25 off. I think these were cheaper. Did they have this colorway at the Foot Locker? I don't know. Got the neons right here. Look at this, $170. Then you get an extra discount on top. Obviously, sizing definitely going to be an issue. They got 8, 9.5s. And they got a bunch of sizes on those. The copper ones down here, they got a couple sizes left. $170 for these as well. We also got KD4s, $100, $130 for the on pearls. And if you're a fan of those coppers, they got them in the KDs as well, $90. And they don't just have Nike, they have New Balance. They got all kinds of Adidas. They even got you with the DC in the back. I've also seen Asics and On Running and stuff. I don't really see too much of that today. Let's see what's going on in the apparel section. They got DC comic t-shirts right here, $7.50. And they're gonna have all the sizing. That's gonna be the question. Do have Bruce Lee t-shirts right here, $15. Bruce Lee jerseys, I guess. I don't know, was he into hockey or something? I don't know, but $25 for these, kind of random. I got Otani shirts. Oh, these aren't the Otani. These are just Pro Standard Los Angeles Dodgers t-shirts, $30 for these. These are like really thick. They're normally like $60. I got them in white as well. They had Otani shirts. I think all of those are sold out. They had, oh, there it is. There they are. They got some Otani shirts right here. Is it regular price? It's $50. I guess it's 25% off, $50. But yeah, they got some decent stuff. These are new era Otani shirts. I got Houston Astros t-shirts right here. What's the damage on these? These are normally $50 down to $25, and then you get an extra $25 off. They also got Niners windbreakers here as well. These are all new era. Those are listed as $80. I'm pretty sure those are too. I don't know 100%, but $25 on top of that. It says Predator Freestyles. Like, these are Predator Freestyles. Curious to see if these are really, really good price. Oh, the Audi Zero Evos right here. Is it just $150 and you get a little discount? Nothing is marked, so dang it, I think it's $150 and then a little discount. Not the greatest deal. We've seen them for cheaper. Got the Bruce Lee, or they call it the Jabbar lows. These are going for $70. Few sizes, not too crazy. I see biggest size 9.5. Dame 10s right here, $60. You get an extra discount. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen in these. The biggest size I see is a size 10.5 men's. Got plenty of smaller sizes. They got AEs right here, $80. You get that extra discount. Got that colorway as well as these Dame 9s right here. These are going for $120. They got campuses right here going for $60 after a discount. They got aisles and aisles and aisles of Adidas right here, including these Messis for $60. There's the Samba OGs right here going for $70 for the discount. These are $60 after a discount. $50 for these. I don't remember what this is called. Something F50 freestyle or something. But yeah, I do got Messi gear for cheap. The Messi stuff. Plenty of sizes for the Messi stuff. I was gonna wrap up and go to the women's, but look at these 2002 prices. Not bad. 2002 R's going for $80 or 75 actually. 574. Not bad. Not bad. This one's 90 as well, and then you get that extra discount. This you can match with anything, so. Man, I like these 2002 R's. And then for these wheat ones right here, this has some nice SE soft suede on it. I like these. I like these as lows. And yeah, they got plenty of sizes up to size 13, 80 or $75. That's the cheapest we've seen for those. And then the women's section starts right here. They got Sauconys. They got a couple Curry brands right here. This is women's? Maybe this is all the men's stuff, but yeah, they do have On Running. There's plenty of Nikes. What the hell is this? Who's this? Veja? What the hell? I got Asics right here. And plenty of Adidas. Yeah, they used to have Currys against the wall up there, but yeah, I do got some Curry 12s in the men's. I guess this is a spillover from the men's section. Do got these for $140. And then these right here are $100. Sizing somewhat limited up to size 11 for this colorway right here. Pretty much the same. Oh, they got up to size 13 for the blue ones. I got Antas right here. These are $125. Got the Cloud Nova, what the hell? The Surfers? I don't know. But got these for $130. And these are the Cloud Zones. I don't know the price. I got the Cloud Monster 2s right here, 180. This is their max cushion shoe. This is a huge size 13. They only have size 9.5, 13s on these. And now moving over to the women's section where we see a bunch of Jordan mids and lows. These are going for 100 bucks. 80 for these, 120, 115, and these are weird. MM low V3s, kind of way different, but like way different. 99, you get an extra discount. Even got some Trunners here, 100 bucks for these bad boys. And then got denims right here, $100. 11s going for 130. Another of these Trunners going for 100 bucks. They even have the math for you guys, those of you who are not Asian and aren't good at math, I guess. Yes, the stereotype is true. Asians do tend to be good at math. Well, I am. My kid sucks, but maybe because he's half Asian. I don't know. 70 for dunks. What are these? They come in a black box. Air Max Muse. Oh, these are pretty ugly. But yeah, 80 bucks. They also got plenty of kids Jordans over here. Kids Jordans and kids shoes. These are down to 110. Haven't seen these in forever, and they're on sale here. Also got these down to $90. $90, and you get an extra 25 on top. Holy crap. Got 5.5, 4.5. Oh, still got 6, 6.5. Got a few sizes. If your kids just want Jordans, $80 for these here, 110 for these here. Obviously, sizing gonna be an issue. Only see a 6.5 in those right there, and then see a few sizes in these down here. I see one of these Rare Airs down here too. Is that a men's? What is that? They got Nikes. They got foams right here. $80 for kids. Foams right here. I see a bunch of size 7s, 5.5s. I see a few sizes. And then they got all kinds of kid sneakers all along the back wall. There. These are a pair that I did order. The 35 here. This is the exact same one. I ordered a J6 right here. Ordered one of these. I think it was 17 bucks. 17 bucks from Kids Foot Locker. Cyber Monday code. Appreciate the heads up. Thank you. I think this spot is open until late this month. I don't know if it's been 100% set, but it's open for a while. Pay a visit. Do got a Champs Sports right here. And I swear Champs has had better deals than Foot Locker lately. But did that continue after Black Friday and Cyber Monday? I don't know. Because Foot Locker did surprise me with some of the deals they've had. In the grade school section right here, got some decent deals for the 574s. Got some 740s right here, New Balance. Guess that's a good deal. I mess with New Balance, but don't know New Balance that well, so I guess, I don't know, if you're into dad shoes, they got you right here. They got multiple colorways. Apparently that's an essential colorway right there. And they got this maroon one right here. 1906s if you're really into dad shoes. 2002 Rs right here. If you're a Bulls fan, that probably matches with Niners gear as well. Cream color one right here. Not bad. I like the material on these 2002 Rs. Even the white and black and the gray and black on sale. And then look at this. Look at these Hardens right here. I've never seen this colorway. Have I? I think I have. Never mind. Snake skin one right here. And they got the Don Issue 7s. I feel like all of the Adidas kind of looking a little more similar. Like if you look at all of these, they kind of look a little similar in design. I do think these look better than all the other ones that have come out. I'm not a fan of these colors, but I do think this is better than all the other Don Issues that have come out in the past because they've always looked pretty ugly. 120 for these. Nice budget option. Only spot in this mall that still has these pure money 3s right here. We do have quite a few Jordans though. Or Jordan Retros, or real Jordans, or OG Jordans. But yeah, look at this, man. Didn't Foot Locker have that for cheap? What the hell? And they've been having these. Look at this. 100 down to $30. Got a couple medium windbreakers right here. I do need some New Balance merch because I do wear New Balance when I go running. I should dress a little better when I go running. I just wear whatever. I just wear like usually shorts and half the time it's not even a t-shirt. $100 for that color as well. I will be hitting up the New Balance outlet, so maybe I'll look then. But yeah, 70% off all these pants as well. This is mostly CSG stuff. Material is actually really good. Got New Balance as well though. Let's look at this New Balance right here. New Balance, $85. This is a medium, 85 bucks. Kind of baggy. I passed this brand new shoe palace that just opened. We have a really dope Jordan display. Showed these last time I came here, but they still got Legend Blues right here. They got a restock when they first opened. This is a size 11. Still have these cave stones here as well. People have been asking if anybody has this on sale. Nobody even has these at all. So this is one of the few places that has them. Got Kobe's here as well. It's the newest LeBron. I haven't seen this colorway too many spots. They even have sales on these big bubbles right here, the 95 big bubbles. These are going for $130. And they do have the Kobe Air Forces right here. Oh, I was looking for the other two colorways. They have a green one right here. I haven't seen this one almost anywhere. They have a black one right here, all $120. And of course they have a Hoka section, On Running, New Balance. They got Uggs, Asics, Converse, Puma right here, Vans, and then they even have Adidas over there. Then they have a women's section and a kids section over here, where they still had these Ferrari 14s. They got a restock of these when they had their grand opening. I think they had these in the Kobe's. I think all the shoe palace had these in the Kobe's. The Dodger Kobe's, that's what everybody stood in line for and stuff. $165 for those in the grade school. Apparently they have multiple sizes because they got another one right there. Last store here, it is Chic. They still have all kinds of sales, including 25% off already reduced footwear. I guess if you buy regular price shoes, you get 50% off any accessory, hat, or jeans. Oh, go 50% off the caps. And as I mentioned, this isn't one of the bigger Chic, so the selection isn't as good. I think even Northridge has a better selection. The bigger stores usually get more products and stuff too, but not bad. Look at this, $45 Air Max ones. Books right here. I'd never even seen these come out. When the hell did these come out? But they do have these for what, $150. Need some Forces, they got you with 25% off on top of all these prices. Jordan section right here. Don't see too many retros. Why is that over here in this section? Don't see any Jordan retros on sale. They all sold out, damn dude. Also don't see any of the Air More Tempo lows. But in grade school they got Jordan 3 UNCs. Lucky Short, right? Lucky Short's going for $75. Air even cheaper. And even Mellow 12s down here for under 100 bucks. Oh, and they got one of these that we saw in the women's Jordan 1 low section. Oh, these are weird. These are weird looking. They're weird looking. Some women's exclusive Jordan 4s right here with the extra fluffy round laces. It's interesting. What, $220 for these. These in grade school, we also saw them have men's and a few other Chic locations. In the grade school section right here, did see these a while back. Oh wait, maybe it was this one, the light pink one. These are going for $60. Got other Vomeros right here as well. Like the Valentine's Day Vomeros finally sold out. They still have the Valentine's Cortez right here for way cheap. But yeah, we've definitely been hitting up a lot of Chics. Make sure you guys stop by. 25% off all kinds of stuff. All right, I think we're done, man. I think we're done. You should subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. And now holiday hours, so they're open till 9 o'clock. A lot of malls are open late now, finally. Damn.